So here the next property, we come to the chemical property. Those are the general properties of amino acids. Okay, so now coming to the chemical properties, the first one is the reaction of amino acids due to this carboxylic group. Okay, and this will lead to the formation of the amides, esters, and acid halides. So let us take a look at these reactions one by one. The first one, and just remember, in this category all the amino acids, they react due to this, okay, the carboxylic group. So the first one, it leads to the formation of the esters, okay, the formation of esters. Now in the presence of benzyl alcohol or ethanol, the amino acids, they give rise to esters. Okay, so the formation of esters. Now for example, here you see this is the amino acid. Okay, then it reacts with the hydrochloric acid. It will give rise to, here in this case, in the presence of hydrochloric acid, you see here that the hydrogen, it has come and bind to this amino group, and the chlorine, both the hydrogen and chlorine, they react with this amino group here. You can see we get CH3Cl or NH3Cl minus. Now in the presence of alcohol, okay, this is the alcohol group. So in the presence of benzyl alcohol or ethanol, in this case what happened? CHCOOR NH3 plus Cl minus. So you see here what happened in the presence of benzyl alcohol or in the presence of ethanol. This R group, okay, it has come and bind with the carboxylic group with the release of water molecule. Now this H and OH, they will bind, okay, and this will form water molecule. Okay, so water molecule will be released, and the R group, it has come and bind and react with the carboxyl group. Now again, here in the presence of the silver hydroxide, in the presence of silver hydroxide, we get CHCOOR, and here what happened? And here we see that in the presence of silver hydroxide, silver will react with chlorine. Okay, it will form silver chloride, and this OH, it will bind with one H from here, forming water molecule. So we see that this is the ester. Okay, it is alkyl amino acetate, which is an ester. So this is the formation of esters in the presence of either benzyl alcohol or ethanol. Now this is the first reaction. Coming to the second reaction, the second reaction is reduction reaction. Okay, the next reaction, that is reduction reaction. This is also due to the reaction of the carboxyl group, okay, of the carboxyl group of amino acid. Now in reduction reaction, the amino acid, they can be reduced to the alcohol. Okay, they can be reduced to alcohol in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride as well as ether. And in this case, as you can see, this is the amino acid. It reacts with the lithium aluminum hydride, as well as in the presence of ether, the carboxyl group here of amino acid, it has been reduced to alcohol group, that is CH2OH group. So this molecule is now an amino alcohol, okay, because this carboxyl group, it has been reduced to an alcohol group. Now the next reaction, okay, which is due to the carboxyl group, is decarboxylation. In decarboxylation, they are those reactions where the carboxyl group, it has been removed and carbon dioxide is released. Okay, so as you can see clearly in this reaction, this is an amino acid. It reacts where you can see here the carboxyl group, it has been removed. With the release of carbon dioxide here, we get primary amine. So decarboxylation of amino acid, it gives rise to primary amines. Okay, so here the decarboxylation, that is the removal of carboxyl group from the amino acids, we get primary amines. So these are the three reactions which are due to the CH2OH group.